The FBI has identified a lawyer who apparently killed himself as the sole suspect in Sunday's deadly shooting at the home of federal Judge Esther Salas. She was not hurt, but her son was killed and her husband was critically injured. Laura Ingle has more now. Laura.
Hey, Melissa. Well, his name was Roy Den Hollander, and he was a self-described anti-feminist lawyer from New York who not only filed dozens of lawsuits against what he called unfair preferences for women, but also apparently had an axe to grind with female judges. A U.S. District Judge Esther Salas was unharmed in Sunday's ambush at her family's home in New Jersey, after a man posing as a FedEx delivery driver shot and killed her 20-year-old son, Daniel Anderl, and seriously wounded her criminal defense attorney husband, Mark Anderl. Hollander was found dead yesterday with what is believed to be a self-inflicted gunshot wound in upstate New York and seemed to take pride in his crusade against women's rights. He made multiple TV appearances on local and national networks regarding his lawsuits. In 2008, he accused Columbia University of holding feminazi women's studies programs and also filed lawsuits against New York City bars for holding ladies' nights. According to reports, Hollander put out a 1,700-page self-published book online this year in which he wrote about his hatred of his mother, other women, and female judges, and specifically named Salas as in a name-calling rant. He appeared before Judge Salas in 2015, arguing a case that the military draft was sexist. According to reports, Salas allowed his case to continue in 2019, but last month canceled scheduled oral arguments. And it appears that Hollander could have had other targets in mind. We learned yesterday that the FBI contacted the chief judge of New York Court, a woman, to tell her that when they found him, they found a picture of her and her name inside of his car. Investigators said that he was recently diagnosed with cancer and may have been looking to take out some of his enemies. Melissa.
What a sad story. Laura, thank you for that.